Hey Panthers, a real quick tutorial about how to sign up and then submit things to Kaizena. So like all websites today that are associated with education, they want to make the word as difficult to spell as they possibly can. So Kaizena is Kaizena. So if you search for it, this is what you're going to find. And what they want you to do right here is they want you to install a add-on for Google Docs. I don't like that add-on because it limits how long I can do voice comments. But what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click right here, this web app login, because we want to use the web app. It's going to open up a new browser, and then your page should look like this. If you haven't signed up, you're going to sign up with Google. Use your jeffcoschools.us email, and it'll just automatically work. You'll have to allow a couple things. I already have an account, so I just log in, and I log in with Google. And then this is my screen. What you'll see is you'll see a spot for you to put a group code, and I will give you a new group code every single time I do an assignment, because it's just easier to make a whole new group every single time we do an assignment than to keep the same group, because then things get lost. So this is not the group code you're going to use. You'll have your own group code, and I'll either let you know in class, or I'll text the group code out to you. But you'll put in your group code, and then you'll have a page like this, only you won't have all these conversations. You'll just have one conversation with me. But let's say that you're all done with your assignment, your writing assignment, and you're ready to, sorry about that, I had to make my recording screen a little bigger. You're ready to submit. Normally, when you add a file, that usually pops up over here, or it's like down here in the corner. In Kaizena, it's right here in the middle. So you're just going to click Add File, and you're going to import a file from your Google Drive. It then will show up on the screen, and it'll give me the ability to comment on it. Remember that Kaizena takes a picture of your file rather than actually sharing it from Google Docs. So if you change your file afterwards, then I'm not going to see those changes. But that's how you sign up and get into Kaizena so I can do comments. Thanks.